Hey everybody, it's Sai from Unravel and Unwind, and I am making a series of videos about one of my favorite topics besides yarn, which is a branch off of papercraft, I'm just all over the papercraft, let's be honest. But I have really cottoned on to the whole diary thing. Okay, and at Unravel and Unwind, on a Sunday, one Sunday a month, I used to have a Plan With Me diary club. Now, I'm sure it will come back when everything's back to normal, but while we're in quarantine, I thought I might produce a couple of little videos to show you what I've been up to with my diary keeping and what's new in general and what I'm going to start doing. I'm kind of excited about this, as you might imagine. But little background first. The idea that I have built on, as most people have, starts out as something called bullet journaling. Now, you can look that up on YouTube. Bullet journaling is basically just a method, there you go, just a method of coding and writing things down, whether it's something you need to do or an event, or maybe you're congratulating yourself on a job well done, whatever it is. And the idea behind bullet journaling is that you have the little dot, and when you have started to do it, it's in progress. When you have completed it, it is completed. And if you decide it needs to go into another list or onto another day, you migrate it, which is the next one down there. And if you decide to cancel it, there's a canceled. And if you want to keep track of whether you've migrated it before or not, you can use a code for that. Event is like a little circle, and urgent is an exclamation mark, and achievement, I use a heart. Now, this is my code. You can make your own code. And that's how a bullet journal sort of starts. Also, I prefer to use it as kind of like some people call it an agenda or a diary or a planner, whatever it is. And if you want to, you can choose to make that like quite creative looking if you want. And I've used several methods in the past, which I will get into eventually. I've got so much I want to share with you. And the Plan With Me is, I'm not sure what tier we're putting it on actually, but more on that as I discuss it with Faye. But what I would love to do is to rejuvenate the Facebook group that used to come with my planning activities. And should that be, an option, I will share the information with you. So if you're interested in diary keeping, then you can follow me on my Facebook group for diaries, which is going to be great. So what's coming up in the next few videos? Well, the first one, I'm going to go through my sort of bullet journal history with you. This is 3 books. I've had, I think, 5. So the others are here somewhere, and I will be showing them. Not all of it, obviously, or else you'll know things about me you wish you didn't. But because this is a record of my life and symptoms, not good. Anyway, so what I'll do is I will curate a nice clean version of good examples of my personal diary keeping style. And then we can discuss how you find your own style. And then I'm going to show you something that has only come on the market, I would say, in the last couple of years, but it's starting to really take hold, and I just couldn't resist it any longer. So that's really exciting, and I will definitely be getting around to that too. So what's going to happen here is that for patrons, you are going to get my Plan With Me videos a full month in advance of when you would ordinarily get them if I decide to put them somewhere else. So if that's not a reason to be a patron, I don't know what is. Let's get planning. I've actually got a virtual drop-in to attend, so I need to go now, but pencil me in for next time. And I will be opening my diaries for all to see. Take care. I have been Sai. This has been Unravel and Unwind. Plan with me.